topic. A degree can be obtained by dividing a full rotation into 360 parts. The arc of a circle is part of its circumference, and the arc length is denoted by S. So in this figure, in this wait lang ha, in this image, this one, this is an example of arc length. Kanang na S dira. The central angle is formed by two radii in a circle whose vertex is the center of the circle. Example here, circle A with a central angle theta and arc BC with length S. Okay. The measure of the central angle is equal to the ratio of the arc length and the radius, or simple as central angle is equal to S divided by the radius. Again, the measure of the central angle is equal to the ratio of the arc length and the radius, or simple as S divided by R. Now, a radian is the measure of the central angle theta that corresponds to an arc such that the arc length S is equal to the radius of the circle. Okay? So radian, that is radian. Now, how many radians is a full rotation? By the way, in a full rotation, how many degrees do we have? How many degrees do we have in a full rotation? We have 360. Okay? 360 ang full rotation. Now, in a full rotation, there are, the value of radian is 2. Again, in a full rotation, the value of radian is 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi radians. That means 360 is equal to 2 pi. So full rotation is 2 pi. How about this one? How many radians is a half rotation? Half rotation is the half of 360. That's 180. 180. That means what is the radian of 180? 1. Sure mo nga 1? It should be pi or 1 pi. Iba ang 1 at saka si 1 pi. Okay? Si pi kasi is 3.14. Si 1, kung 1 lang yung isulat ninyo, mali mo. It should be merong pi. So 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Yan. Next. Okay, I will give you time to copy this one. This is very important, no? Okay, degrees to radian, radian to degrees. If the given is degree, and if you are told to convert into radian, all you need to do is to multiply it by pi over 180 degrees. Again na, kung degrees to radian, if ang given degree din i-radian ninyo, i-times lang siya by pi over 180. Pag radian to degree, ang gawin ninyo, 180 over pi. I-multiply ninyo siya by 180 over pi. So I will give you time to copy that one. Okay. But before we will proceed to the conversion of degrees to radian, radian to degrees, yeah, let's have this example. Express 112.58 in degrees, minutes, and seconds. Tayo nga nasa quiz. Okay, please learn how to convert this one. Again, please learn how to convert this one. 112.58 in degrees, minutes, and seconds. Nana siya nga sa quiz. Okay. Now, the whole number here, that is your degrees. And then the remaining 0.58, ito, the remaining decimal, this one, you need to multiply it by 60. What's the reason behind bakit 60? Take note, in a full rotation, that's 1 hour. 1 hour is equivalent to 60 degrees, 60 minutes. Again, 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes. Kaya nga, i-multiply siya by 60. Okay? That's 34.8. Itong whole number natin na 34, that's 34 minutes. Then, meron pa tayong 0.80. Itong 0.80, times ulit by 60. Yan. That's already 48 seconds. So 112.58 degrees is equivalent to 112 degrees, 34 minutes, and 48 seconds. That's the answer. Wag na lagyan ng zero after a, I mean, saan banda, Andre? Okay. Pwede na wala, Andre. Okay. Now, I will teach you using your calculator. If you have calculators dyan, okay, pag meron kayong calculator dyan, yes, depende sa format. Okay, depende sa format nga ako pa ngayon. If naabay apostrophe or wala, basta na. Basta ang kani, degrees, 112 degrees, 34 minutes, 48 seconds. This 2 apostrophe here is seconds. Yung isa lang kay minutes. Now, let's have your shortcut, this one. Let's write 112.58. Yan. Equals. Okay, wait lang ha. Yan. I-press lang ninyo ni. Kanay. I-press lang ni. Gawas ng answer. Okay? So, yan. If meron kayong calculator, you can use that one. I-press lang ni siya kanay. Okay? So, pwede na mo din mag-solve. Kaya pwede naman maingato. Anyways, let's continue. Let's have last example. Last example we have here. Okay, this one. I want you to answer that one. Okay? Kindly chat your answer. Again, kindly chat your answer. Ito. Okay? So this 322 now is your degrees. 0.65 times 60. 39. So 39 minutes, 0 seconds. Okay? Negative 322 degrees, 39 minutes, 0 seconds. Pag i-calculate lang siya, ito. Yan, i-press lang ni. Gawas ng answer. Okay? So this time, I will give you 5 minutes to solve this one. Kung degree to radian, okay? Kung degree to radian, multiply by pi over 180. Kung radian to degree, (180 over pi). Multiply siya 180 over pi. Examples. Okay, so this time, number 1 is 90 degrees. 90 degrees to 90 degrees. Okay, number 1 is 90 degrees. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to solve this. Again, I will give you 5 minutes to solve this one. So time starts now. Take note, items 1, 2, 3 are in degree. So ang gawin mo sa number 1 to number 3, i-convert into radian. Number 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, naka-radian na sila tanan. Again, 4, 5, 6, naka-radian na sila. So ang gawin mo sa number 4 to number 5 is imo siyang i-radian, is i-degree mode rather. Again, i-degree mode nimo ang number 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5 minutes starts now. Okay, let's solve. Okay, kindly chat your answers now. Kindly chat your answers. Okay, for number 1, 90 degrees. So 90 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. Okay, for number 1, you have 90 pi over 180. That's 1/2 pi, or pi over 2, or what's pi over 2? This is 1.57. Okay, they're just the same. For number 2, negative 135 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. That's negative 135 pi divided by 180. So the answer is negative 3/4 pi, or negative 3 pi over 4, or negative 2.36. For number 3, 520 times pi over 180 degrees. 520 pi divided by 180. This is 26 pi, 26 over 9 pi, or 26 pi over 9, or in decimal, 9.08. And for number 4 is radian to degree. So negative 4 pi times 9 times 180 over pi. So cancel the pi, cancel. Negative 4 times 180 over 9. The answer is negative 80. Tama ba? Negative 80? Next. For number 5, 11 pi over 5 times 180 over pi. Cancel, cancel. That's 11 times 180 over 5. 11 times 180 divided by 5. The answer is 396. Is this correct? Do not forget to put degrees. And lastly, class, itong si number 3 class, this naka-radian na siya. Wala man siya degree na symbol. So do not claim na degree na siya. No, that is in radian. Ang gawin nyo lang dito, 3 times 180 over pi. That's 540 divided by pi. Okay. The answer is 171.89 degrees. Okay. That's the answer. And this is now your solution. Okay. This is now your solution. Okay. For our practice test from 1 to 6. Degree to radian, radian to degrees problem. Question before we will proceed. Okay, walay question. So let's proceed to coterminal angles. Okay? Ay, wait lang. What do you mean by this? Ano? Kasi Paula Arias, what do you mean by this?
Ano nga good sir, ang answer na ko is 9.07. Nag-on lang ko sa 18 sir.
Ano siya? I think there's something wrong. Ano siya? Dili mo ko sa degree. Naka-region man gud ning 3. So, since dili man siya degree, region ni siya. Parehas ni mo siya process sa region, 180 over pi. Parehas ni mo siya, ana. Okay? Okay, let's proceed to coterminal angles. Okay, let's proceed to coterminal angles.